Yeah.
So with the dash turned on, information-wise, we've got gear indicator, current speed, odometer, ambient air temperature, that's the temperature we've got in the showroom, current time, the traction control level as well, which comes in 3 levels, off, 1 and 2. I'll show you how to adjust that in a second. Shows your range there, and you've got your fuel gauge and your temperature gauge.
Okay.
So it's everything on there, and obviously your speed, your breath counter on the left hand side just there. Now controls-wise, you've got your pass button there, and you can click it forwards for a 4V.
Okay.
Now you've got the big grey button here. If you push the up, it toggles what you see on the top side of the dash. See, it flips between your trip meters, and when your engine gets a bit of temperature, it will start registering there as well.
Okay.
If you press it down, it changes the information on the bottom, so you can go from range, battery voltage, average MPG, and range inside the tank as well. So once you start moving and you get an average MPG, it gives you a range. Now to adjust the traction control, you press that black select button just there, and it will highlight on the dash. See me turning it on and off there? Now when it's on, you can then turn it up and down from off, 1 and 2. So 2 is probably good for today, it's quite cold out there. Now be mindful that when you're riding along, if the throttle is open, it won't let you move it up and down. So if you're accelerating or holding the throttle open. If you momentarily close the throttle, adjust it, lock it in place, and then back on the throttle, that's how you can do it while you're moving. But you have to have the throttle closed, okay? Rest of the controls, indicators, horn, which I won't press to move inside, kill switch, hazards, and our start.
Perfect.
Really nice and easy. So that's the dash covered. We've got our 12-volt power socket just there in the front, so if you want to charge your phone, probably good to get a USB adapter for that if you're going to run a couple of things. Fuel cap right there, nice and easy, pop it in, and when you push it back down, push it down, pop the key out. Now, moving to under the seat, if you come round here, we've got our
slowly
key slot just here. Now turn to the right a little bit, lift the seat about 1 inch and then slide it backwards. Because it's got 2 rear claws in it, you can't just lift it straight up. Now resting the seat just there. Underneath here we've got, these are the lock and barrels for any luggage. So if you want the Suzuki specific luggage, those are your 3 barrels to match the ignition key. So those will come with every 650,000. Those would be, not too sure there actually, to be exact. Although I've seen those before. These might be because you've had this fitted. I think the parts might be from there. I can ask the technician about it. You've got the toolkit, battery pack, fuse boxes, but also while we're here, coolant bottle. That's where you check your coolant level. Okay? So not the easiest to find at first, if you're not told where it is. It levels on the side, to actually top it up, the top up point is here, so you actually have to lift the rear of the tank slightly. So it's these 2 side panels off, lift the rear of the tank, and then you can top it up.
Has it got a warning on the dash figure?
It has.
I'll wait till then.
But in reality, it's not so much a warning, but you'll see some abnormal, the bike will abnormally heat quickly. So the temperature of the engine will rise above. Averaging, it should be around 80-90 degrees, depending if it's hot, cold, it should roughly rummage around then, but if it's suddenly steaming up higher than that, just for normal riding, then be wary that your coolant might be low and the bike overheating slightly. So, a little technique. There we go. Just open on the front and then going down and forwards. And oil is just round this side here. So down here we've got our sight glass and our top up point there. As of every bike, and you can do this cold or warm, but please note that obviously when the bike is cold, the oil is a bit glucose, so it takes a little while just to level out. But you can see there, bang on the top point.
Thank you.
And there's your run around the DL650 XT.